Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your vehicle with Geico, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your vehicle with Geico, start by visiting the Geico website. Look for the auto insurance section on the homepage. Click on it to access information about various policy options. Choose the type of coverage that best suits your needs. If you prefer, you can also call Geico's customer service for assistance. Once you've selected a coverage type, click on Get a Quote. Enter your vehicle's details, including the make, model, and year. Provide your personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Input any additional details requested, like your driving history. Review the quote provided by Geico carefully. Take note of the coverage limits and premiums. If you're satisfied with the quote, you can proceed to purchase the policy. Follow the prompts to complete your registration and payment. Make sure to review the policy terms before finalizing your purchase. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your policy details. Store this information in a safe place for future reference. Consider downloading the Geico mobile app for easy access to your policy. Use the app for features like roadside assistance and payment management. Regularly review your policy to ensure it meets your evolving needs. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your vehicle with Geico. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.